Hey everyone. The other day I realized that my CV is cool, but it does not explain what exactly I do at my job. So today I'm going to talk in detail what I really do at my work. Let's begin. Throughout my career, I mostly focus on web application. What I mean by web application is that it tend to be more productive and social focused. Some people they call me IT expert, but as a graduation I hold diploma in information technology. Most of the time I do troubleshooting, fixing bugs, codings, and so on. Since my work is directly related to production manager and designer, I make sure that my web apps run smooth, faster, user friendly, and according to the requirement. Let's talk a little bit about my responsibility. The process go on like this way. First, the production manager, the one who kick the job or project and hand it over to the designer. Then designer figure out how is it going to look, and then finally it get handed over to me. Then I start coding. For an example, I deliver one project to a production manager, and suddenly the production manager says, hey, why not to fix one button over on top? Then the designer will take it and redesign it according, and it make sure how it looks and markup. Then the designer hand over the markup to me. The whole process is very collaborative and not divided up like how I described as an assembly. What actually happens is that we all provide our own expertise, but at the end we come to a solid decision. Let me tell you this, the whole process is not 1 or 2 week jobs because it has several people involved in this project. We had to keep everyone in loop and frequently meetings. The 20% of my time user, 20% of my time with production manager to discuss and designer to discuss with what we are working on. 70% of my time building stuff based on discussion with the production manager and designer. We build the stuff. The process is like this. I make plan. Once I make the plan, I discuss with other expertise in IT specialist. I take decision. Finally, I take the decision and code according to my plan. Sometimes my plans may not work properly. In order to save the time, I make plan B, and in the meantime, I do other stuff like fixing the bugs and troubleshooting, so on. Last 10% is the miscellaneous, means one-on-one with manager, designer, and participating in the meetings, and so on. Not every day is same always. There are some days I participate in the meeting for whole day and only an hour I code. And there are days where I don't have any meeting, so I'm busy in coding. This is how I balance my work and time. The whole process is process of reading, writing, fixing, and coding takes a lot of time. Good day. See you soon.